Australia, the oldest, most extreme continent on Earth. Nowhere else do you find snakes more venomous, wildlife more bizarre. Over tens of thousands of years, people have adapted to this untamed land. They have enjoyed its extremes and gradually learned to love it, from the rich jungle to the red desert to the snowy mountains. But in this vast island of wild beauty, the crowning jewels are Australia's national parks. The Great Barrier Reef stretches along the northeast coast of Australia for almost 3,000 kilometers. It's the longest and most extensive coral reef system in the world. Next to it is a magnificent tropical rainforest, extending all the way from the beach up to the mountaintops. Here, in the Daintree National Park, established in 1981, the park preserves a unique habitat that millions of years ago covered the entire northern half of Australia. But a changing climate caused tropical rainforest to shrink to just 1% of the total of Australian land area. Human activity in the modern era has further decimated it. Over 80% of it has been cleared over the last 150 years. Many plants and animals from the early history of the continent now survive only in the Daintree National Park. The Daintree Rainforest is a treasure trove for biologists and nature lovers. The heavy rainfall is a challenge for both people and machinery. Take a copy, radio check. Mechanic Andrew Thompson has his work cut out in this climate. Together with Peter Byrne of the University of Queensland, the two explore the rainforest in a whole new way. By crane. It's still waiting, it just provides that access to, a relatively unstudied part of the rainforest. In the past, a lot of the rainforest research is concentrated on the ground, just because it's the easiest part to access. But with this, we can just go up through the levels, essentially from the ground, right up to the trees, up to the top of the trees, and access all those different zones for all the different types of research. The crane gives access to a unique world that scientists have only recently been able to explore. At the beginning of each month, Peter and Andrew do a thorough assessment of the condition of the forest. Early flower on one, right on one, and ripe fruit on one, and then the other one over there, which the two researchers have numbered every tree in their 1-hectare study area and plotted them on a map. No, go on. It's mostly finished, so there's more spin. The leaves of the canopy grow so dense that almost no light falls to the ground. On the other hand, the canopy provides shade for those plants that are sensitive to sunlight. Since there is no cooling off season in the tropics, plants can flower at any time. 1 meters, tree number 6057. Depending on conditions, however, some trees may only flower once every 5 years. They find many surprising species up here, like eagles. Just looking at it now, the baby one. This year is the first time I've seen them nesting. Went up because I have to do my maintenance on the end of the gym. Got to look at the eggs in the nest, and then got to save the 2 little chicks after the painters had left, and I went up just to check out a few things up there. Again, it was beautiful birds.